Do you know? This used to be my dad's favorite remedy every time we got sore throat and phlegm. For this, you would need turmeric, pepper, and some honey. You would need 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of honey, and few pinches of pepper to activate the curcumin from turmeric with the help of piperine from pepper. You just need to consume 1 teaspoon of this after every meal and say maybe half teaspoon for every cough reflex, and you'll see how the cough, chest congestion and phlegm recedes within less than 2 days.